I marched out my chamber like lightning. I was furious, past the gardens, around the kitchen, and finally out the door. What are you doing, you fools? Get into your houses at once, by order of the Queen, Queen Jezebel. Nobody stirred. Off with all of your heads, I shrieked. I was sopping. It was Ahab who spoke first. No, Jezebel, they have done nothing to harm you. Then he spoke to the townspeople. Go, away to your homes, and do not come out of them until the rain stops. And so, here I am, again lying in my bedchamber. Oh, woe is me. My whole country has turned against me. What am I ever to do? I'll show them. I'll be the worst queen in history. I will take so much Jezreelite blood that it will fill a lake. And as for Ahab, I will show him that I am the strongest queen in power of all of Jezreel, and that he will obey my every word. Yes, that is what I will do. I am Queen Jezebel, wife of Ahab, daughter of Ethbaal, king of the stone.